Hello everyone, this is my very first tutorial. Never done this before, so bear with me. What am I going to be exactly doing a tutorial on? Editing a video on Pinnacle and uploading it to YouTube. Here we go! The first thing you'll need is to record a video of some sort. Make it awesome, make it epic, make whatever you want to do. Once you do that, you're going to import your material to the computer. Once you import your material to your computer, you're going to hit Pinnacle Studio. Now that's where we begin. Now, the first thing you obviously need to know when opening Pinnacle Studio is to click the icon, which would be right here. That's pretty much obvious. Click it, it opens. It's loading. Here we go. Here we go. It's a loading screen. It's a loading screen. It's a loading screen. Okay, it's up now. The next thing you need to do is get the clip that you want to edit. So, here's a little clip I made, not much, maybe about 30 seconds long, maybe shorter. You're going to hit this right here, and you're going to click right-click and add to project. And it's going to automatically hit right here. You can play through it. And then you can stop, fast forward, rewind. That's what these basic things do. This right here is like a loop. You can just loop yourself, just doing it over and over and over. Now, the next step is cutting your scene out. Alright, say that I want to stop here. You're going to hit this little thing right here that says split the selected clip into 2 clips. Boom. You're going to go a little bit more. Alright, I don't want that in, so you're going to stop. You're going to hit it, click again. To delete the section, you're going to click this area right here, the selected clip. You're going to either hit right click and go to delete, or what I prefer, you hit this little icon that has like a garbage can. You hit boom. Well, let's redo it to see how it looks. It automatically went straight to the next one. There's also some cool things that you can do in Pinnacle. There's these sidebars things that represent a task. The second one right underneath the camera is transitions. You can do transitions as far as that. There's like this. It shows you examples when you click them. You have these kind of cool things. And what you basically do is you're going to go right between each scene. Transitions work better when you put them between 2 edited clips. So this is what it would look like. You're going to hit it. You're going to also, again, add to project right between where you want. This right here obviously is where we edited. For some reason it doesn't end up like you want to do it, you can drag it over with this, like that. Now this screen is to show you where you exactly split it. Now let's see what we've done so far. That was a cool little transition. There's a bunch of different transitions you can choose from with Pinnacle. Up in this bar shows you that you can do alpha magic, Hollywood effects. Pinnacle Studio is really fun just to go around, click around, see what you do, and have fun with it. The next little bar they have is a little like modern like postcard thing that you can put in there. And it looks kind of like this. You put your text in and all that kind of stuff. Moving on. Text. Say you want something classy, something like to represent your material. You're going to click one of these, you're going to hit add to project. Once you hit add to project, you're going to click on one of those things again, right on this spot. It's going to open. You can put in whatever you want. Just type it, whatever. That's not even a word, but we're just going to go with that. There's also different kind of styles that you can choose from. Say you want this green instead. You just click on it and start writing. It's really neat. Now, if you like what you have, you can just hit OK. If you do not like where the text is, you can actually move it around. Here, here. But it doesn't only do that. You can actually also flip it like this. So you can make it go turn different ways and all that kind of cool stuff. Whatever you want to do. If you hit it and you like it like that, just hit boom, OK. It automatically appears in your film. Another cool thing Pinnacle shows is pictures. Say you got a bunch of pictures that you want to do a huge montage of. Alright, so that's easy. Simply click a photo, right click, and add a project. Go to the next one, add a project. So on and so forth. Now, if you want to shorten your videos, you can shorten. You're like, you don't want that photo that long. You're going to click at the very edge. You're going to click and you're going to bring it left, or you can make it expand it and make it right. Pinnacle also offers a DVD sort of thing. If you want to do like a huge menu for DVDs, they offer that. Here's like your start button, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, your scene selection. They just got basically a lot of things to choose from on Pinnacle. They also have sound effects, which is kind of cool. You click through them and just go, that's a baby crying, burp, eating, basic stuff, the sounds that you can choose from. Now what I do, a little tip is, if you don't like these sound effects, simply record the sound effect that you want and then put it on yourself. It's so much easier if you cannot find the correct sound effect that you like. Make up your own sound effects. Be adventurous. Have fun. We're going to move on to the music section. The nice thing about Pinnacle is that any kind of music that you have on your computer automatically goes into Pinnacle. As you can see, I have a lot of music that just was on my computer. It keeps all of that. So if you want this stuff inside your film, you just pick it. Now remember, copyright. But if you don't care about copyright, that's cool too. You can just preview it by just simply clicking it. Now you're like, you know what? I want Achy Breaky Heart in my video. You're going to hit it, right click, of course, like always, add to project, and boom, it's going to appear down below. Right here is your music bar. This tells you what it is. Now the nice thing is, you can set up, on any of your clips you do, the volume. If you want your volume lower, you can move this little yellow line that's right here, if you can see that. I hope you can. And then you obviously see that, hey, it's really loud. Now you can also stop it, make it lower. Nice little material and stuff that you can use there. Now, Pinnacle doesn't have a lot of special effects. If you want an editing system that has a bunch of special effects, then I recommend Sony Vegas. One of the coolest editing systems I've ever seen and I've had the pleasure to play with. But Pinnacle is straight and simple if you just want to do basic YouTube editing skills. And probably the easiest for beginners. I started out with this, loved it, and really have used this for a long time. Now you may ask, Corey, you just edited a big deal. Now how do you get it on YouTube? Alright, so you're going to hit Make Movie. You're going to hit a file type. It depends on what kind of file type you want. For me, this is how I've always done it. I click Windows Media usually because it's usually the fastest. You can pick your quality, high quality, low quality, any kind of quality that you really want. Once you hit that, you're going to create your file. Once you create your file, you're going to put in your name for this thing, and I'm going to call it example. Alright? You're going to hit OK. Once you hit OK, it's automatically going to process your whole movie. Now, the process itself depends on how big the film is. Now, my video just got processed. Once you do that, you're going to click X. You're going to hit Save. Yes, you absolutely want to save your changes. Once you hit Save, you're going to save it again. It's going to close out. Once it closes out, you're going to go to YouTube. You're going to hit Upload. You're going to hit Upload Video, which is right here. You can also record from a webcam if you have a webcam. But right now we're talking about uploading video. Upload the video. You're going to go to your file. Once you go to your file, you're going to go to Videos, which is located right here. Click the videos. Go to the one that says Example. You're going to hit Example. And there it goes, starts uploading. Alright? You're going to put your basic title, description, you're going to tag, you're going to select your category, you're going to hit Save Changes. Once you've done all that and you put all this stuff in, you hit Save Changes. You're going to go to My Videos or My Channel, however you want to do it, to see if it's actually processed yet. Boom! There's an example. We're going to click it. Ta-da! It's on YouTube. Hope you enjoyed that video tutorial on how to edit on Pinnacle and put it on YouTube. If you have any questions, use the comments below, ask me them, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I know I'm not the best at tutorials, but it's my first time. Let me know what you thought of it. Also, what would you want to see a tutorial on? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Later! Bye!
Know where I fit in, but I'm just who I am, and that's life.